Is your Hyundai Kona key fob not working? Don't worry, most issues are easily fixable. The most common culprits are a dead battery or a lost connection with the car. First, replace the CR2032 battery. Kona fobs typically use a CR2032 3-volt coin battery. Pry open the fob with a small screwdriver, replace the battery, ensuring the correct polarity, plus side up, and test. If the range is still limited or the fob doesn't work, the next step is to try relearning or resyncing the fob to your Kona. Get in your Kona with the non-working fob, turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the fob simultaneously for a few seconds, then turn the ignition off, then back on. This sequence reprograms the fob to sync with the car's computer. These two steps solve most key fob problems. If replacing the battery and relearning don't work, the problem might be the car's antenna. This is rarer, but it receives the signal from your fob. Damage or interference can cause issues. Check for obstructions or damage near the rear window or under the dashboard, where the antenna is typically located. Antenna issues or other persistent key fob problems may require professional diagnostics. As for the future, Hyundai is increasingly integrating smartphone apps and digital keys into Kona models. By 2025, many new Konas feature NFC for tap to unlock. Expect to see even more app-based keys and biometric security features in the future, potentially reducing reliance on physical fobs altogether. Keep your Kona software updated to avoid vulnerabilities.